1996 Olympic Games or the New England Patriots. Hello archives, here we are again to unboxing this two lovely parcels we got here. Which one first? So I go for this one, and don't forget to follow for more, and if you're not subscribed, please do. So let's see what we got here. First one, what do you think it is, guys? Put the box there. So let's see a little bit of drama. So front to back, snapback, of course, the classic. Logo 7, license, and it is 1996 Atlanta Olympic Games. Oh my god, look at that, it's beautiful. If you like, don't forget to follow and leave the like in this video. So let's go for the second parcel. What do you think it is, guys? So here we go. Second one, open like that. A bit of drama as well, so I will not show you right now, and create an expectative. So Pro line. Oh, what's that? Sports Specialties. Always they do a lovely job. So who knows this one? New England Patriots. Look this embroidery. Oh my god, it's beautiful, beautiful. Green underbrim, Pro line tag, Sports Specialties tag. Beautiful, beautiful. Which one you like more, guys? The 1996 Olympic Games or the New England Patriots? Actually, I love both. For me, it's both beautiful and with different styles and designs. So if you like, leave your like here as well. So I see you in the next video, guys. Bye.